Hey, Al, Ask the Pool Guy here to answer your question. Got a question recently regarding sand and how often you change the sand in a sand filter. Again, there's a wide variety, but I think the industry in general has determined over the last 10 or 15 years that an average of every 3 to 5 years. I know years ago we would say a lot longer. We'd say, oh, if you replace your sand every 10 or 15 years, that's okay. Now we're noticing that if you change the sand too often, it's not good. So if you're changing it every year, the system is being inefficient. But if you go anything beyond about 5 years, you lose a lot of efficiency in the sand. So the rule of thumb today is 3 to 5 years and then replace the sand. Again, a part of the past, we would always say don't change it unless something happens and maybe the water's not staying clear. Well, what happened in that case is then sometimes the pool's too far gone. So we're trying to be a little bit proactive and saying don't do it every year, which some people think that they should do, but don't wait 10 years either. So 3 to 5 is the best scenario. A lot of hair. If you have a lot of women with a lot of hair and girls with long hair, that's going to clog the filter quicker, as well as a lot of debris. There's several pools I know in our area that are built virtually under a canopy of trees. When you're getting a lot of debris in the pool, that's going to clog that filter quicker. If it's normal use, and maybe there's some leaves and there's some hair, 5 years is good. If you're on that other end where you have a lot of long-haired people swimming in the pool, which is creating a lot of debris in the water, and or if you have a lot of leaves and things blowing in the pool, 3 years is probably better.